Hey, want to make money just watching YouTube videos? Then people from all over the world are making $300, $400, and even $600. If they can do it, you can do it too. So let's jump on the video. Let's go to picoworkers.com. This is a marketplace online. This connects freelancers and business owners all over the world with a simple to low-cost tasks. This is our money-making website, where PicoWorkers will assist you in making money online. In a variety of ways, you could be employed and looking for a side hustle, or you can want to earn a decent living from this website, which simply pays you to watch videos. You can do it in your spare time, and without any technical knowledge or experience, because all you have to do is press the play button, watch the video, and collect your earnings. You can do it as well. So if you go to picoworkers.com and click on Freelance and Earn, you'll be taken to this page where you can see how much money people are making using this website each day and even each hour, as well as the most recently completed tasks, as well as the workers' nicknames and total earnings. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, and a variety of other countries. Whereas they have people from all over the world from various countries, people who use this website. If not thousands of dollars, people are earning a few dollars, $100, $700, and even more than $2,000 per year. This is incredible. You can now see the most recent requested withdrawals, as well as the payment options selected in the withdrawal amounts. So you can do all of these payment proofs right here on this website. These are the figures that group has cashed out. You may notice that this isn't going to make you rich, so don't expect to get rich off of it, and don't expect it to replace your day job. This is simply something you can do on the side to supplement your current income as you progress through the freelance and earn section. I want you to click here to sign up for a free account and start earning money right away. So you arrive at this page where you must enter your real name and email address, create a password, enter your nickname, and then choose your country. This is the complete list of countries. As you can see, they welcomed visitors from all over the world, so simply choose a country. You are from the next selection. Before clicking on the sign up button, I agree to their terms of service and privacy policy as a worker, and once you've completed the sign up process, you can begin earning money online. You can now download and log, and after successfully creating an account, this is how your brand new account will look. You'll see various jobs available here, each with a different amount of earnings. You can see how much money you can make on the right-hand side. Now I'd like you to change the category to video marketing and click apply. Now what that will do is show you these various jobs. We have thousands of jobs to choose from here, jobs that we can complete and get paid for it, and they will all be paying us to watch videos. Consider how simple it is to watch a YouTube video from the comfort of your own home. You can do this whenever and wherever you want while earning money. So how exactly does it work? Simply click on any of the available jobs here. Because this is a new account, you'll need to provide some personal information such as your date of birth, city, and a security question in the answer to that question. Following that, we can calculate how much you'll be paid for, simply watching the video. What is expected of employees? That is what you must do to begin. Go to youtube.com and search for these keywords. You'll have to type it yourself. Don't try to imitate it. Third, look for a video that has this thumbnail. Remember not to use any filter such as newly, uploaded, or similar, because you will not be paid for that. Next, watch the video for at least 9 minutes without skipping, or you will not be paid. Simply mute the video and leave it playing in the background, so you don't have to watch the entire thing, and by doing so, you'll be able to earn money online. Congratulations, you have watched 67% of the strategy. Only 33% left, so continue watching. You must also like the video passively. It's that simple. You can simply leave those videos playing in the background and they will still count. However, there won't be many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos. If you want to maximize your results and earn more money on PicoWorkers, you can also complete other jobs or tasks, which are also very simple and can be completed by complete beginners. People will pay you to interact with their content on this micro job site. Like, for example, liking their Facebook posts and letter aching with little tap of a button. That's all there is to it, and you'll be compensated for it. You can also get paid by simply clicking a link and visiting the website. It doesn't get any easier than that. Sure, the pay isn't great, but given the amount of work involved, if you want to do a side hustle online, consider investing the money you earn from Pico workers in something you believe will increase in value over time. They also provide jobs such as signing up for various platforms, where you only need to provide an email, address your first and last name, and you'll be paid. There are thousands of different jobs available to you. The best part is that you can complete as many as you want. You can happily sit for a few hours and complete hundreds of these jobs, and the money will quickly add up. You may have noticed that some of the people on this website are already making thousands of dollars. We work to make short but impactful videos, because your time is valuable and we honor that. So, if you like this type of content, then give us a like, and if you want more strategies like this, then subscribe to the Learn Earn YouTube channel so you don't miss any strategies to make money online this year. If you have any questions, then let us know by commenting down below. Our team will try to answer all of your questions. Note, it is not a get-rich-quick scam, and I'll not promise you, like other gurus on the internet, that you will make hundreds of thousands of dollars from this method. You will make money for sure. If you want more strategies to make money online by watching YouTube videos, then you should not miss this video too.